The hand-supported, standing, single-arm dumbbell triceps kickback primarily targets the long head of the triceps muscles on the back of your upper arm. However, compared to other triceps kickback variations, using a dumbbell may not be ideal since the resistance is weakest when your triceps are stretched, which is important for muscle growth. This is why cable triceps kickbacks are a better option since they provide consistent tension throughout the movement. However, if dumbbells are all you've got, they are a decent option. However, to maximize muscle growth, the overhead dumbbell triceps extensions may be a better choice. Here's how to do it correctly. While standing, hold a dumbbell in one hand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keeping your back straight, core engaged, and knees slightly bent, hinge at the hips to bring your torso forward until it's almost parallel to the floor. Let the dumbbell hang straight down while placing your free hand on a stable surface such as a squat rack or cable machine for support. Roll the dumbbell up to your side. This is the starting position. Keeping your upper arm stationary, straighten your elbow to move the dumbbell back while squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. Slowly bend your elbow to return the dumbbell to the starting position, controlling the weight throughout the movement. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat on the other side. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.